Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that will blow your mind.
On the left, we have the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera, and on the right, we have the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera.
Get ready for some serious comparisons.
Alright, let's dive right into it.
When it comes to video quality, both of these dash cams are top-notch.
The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam boasts a full HD 1080p recording, capturing every detail of the road with its advanced GC CMOS and 150 degrees wide-angle lens. Cut to footage from ARIFAYZ Dash Cam, but wait.
Here comes the E-YEEGER Dash Cam with its mind-blowing 2.5K 1440p resolution thanks to its Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens. This bad boy provides 70% higher pixels than 1080p and covers 4 lanes easily with its front 160 degrees wide-angle lens. Cut to footage from E-YEEGER Dash Cam. It's a tough call, but if you want that extra level of detail, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam takes the win in this category. Now let's talk about connectivity.
Both of these dash cams come with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect to the dedicated apps on your Android or iOS smartphones. With the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam, you can get a live stream, download videos, change settings, and easily share your footage with friends. Cut to app interface for ARIFAYZ Dash Cam, but hold on. The E-YEEGER Dash Cam takes it up a notch with its smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi and user-friendly app.
Not only can you do all the same things as the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam, but you can also conveniently preview your videos and share them with your loved ones through social platforms. Cut to app interface for E-YEEGER Dash Cam. It's a tie in this category. Both dash cams offer seamless connectivity and control right at your fingertips. Let's move on to design and installation. The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam sports a slim and compact design, taking up minimal space on your windshield. It's super easy to install, even for first-time users. Cut to ARIFAYZ Dash Cam on windshield. Meanwhile, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam takes a different approach with its mini and hidden design. It won't obstruct your view while driving, ensuring maximum safety.
Plus, with its heat resistance chipset and aluminum alloy shell, it can survive extreme weather conditions.
Cut to E-YEEGER Dash Cam on windshield. Both dash cams have their unique design features, but I have to give the edge to the E-YEEGER Dash Cam for its sleek and hidden design. Now let's talk about parking mode.
The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam requires a separate mini USB hardwire kit, not included to activate this feature.
Once set up, it will automatically switch to parking mode when your car is parked, providing around-the-clock protection.
Cut to ARIFAYZ Dash Cam in parking mode. To mode to our hand. The E-YEEGER Dash Cam also requires a hardwire kit, not included to enable parking mode.
It ensures your car is under surveillance 24/7 and even has a time-lapse mode for continuous recording with low power consumption.
Cut to E-YEEGER Dash Cam in parking mode. It's another tie.
Both dash cams offer advanced parking mode features, giving you peace of mind when your vehicle is unattended. Last but not least, let's talk about storage and accessories. The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam supports up to 128 GB micro SD cards, and we recommend the PNY micro SD card for optimal performance. Cut to ARIFAYZ Dash Cam with micro SD card. Meanwhile, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam comes with a free 32 GB SD card pre-installed, and it can support up to a whopping 256 GB of memory. That's a lot of footage.
Cut to E-YEEGER Dash Cam with SD card. In terms of storage capacity, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam takes the crown.
The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera is praised for its good video and sound quality, clear instructions, user-friendly app, and excellent customer service. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera is highly recommended for its high image quality, easy installation, user-friendly mobile app, and compact design. Both dash cams have received positive reviews and are solid choices. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam WiFi FHD 1080p car camera and the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera in various categories. While both dash cams have their strengths, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam comes out on top with its superior video quality, sleek design, and larger storage capacity.
Remember, it's important to consider your own preferences and needs when choosing a dash cam.
We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more awesome product comparisons.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.